Okay, good morning class. Can you please all stand for our prayer? And may I call Miss Lopez to please lead us our prayer?
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Amen. So you can now all sit down. And before anything else, I would like you to remind that about our house rule that during our discussion, you should avoid eating and writing. And of course, all of your eyes must be focused on the board or on me, okay, to ensure that you will truly understand what we are discussing today, what we are going to discuss today. And avoid making a distracting noise. So you must avoid distracting noise that will distract our class today, okay? And do not answer if you are not asked. Do you understand, class? Okay. Before we begin our class, can you please define what is set and give at least one concrete example? Anyone from the class, please? Okay. Thank you. That's very good, very good. Before we proceed on our discussion class, let's have this activity. Okay. Let's say I have here a set of things found in our home. And let us say this is a set of X or a set of things that are for sanitation. We have hand sanitizer empty bottle. We have the box for a bioderm soap and mask, wipes, and of course the spray can. And let's say this another set of a Y for or set of for things for our hygiene, personal hygiene. We have empty can of toothpaste, cotton buds, um, empty bottle of deodorant, old toothpaste, and I mean old toothbrush, already used toothbrush, and tissue. What you are going to do, class, is that can you please tell me what are the things found in our set X and Y that can be recyclable? Anyone, please? Okay, please. Very good. That's correct, class. And how about what are the things found here in our set of things that can be disposable, that cannot be used anymore after we use it? Okay, anyone, please stand. Yes. Okay, thank you. Very good. So what can you infer, class, about our activity? Okay. Okay. Good idea. Nice opinion. Okay. Very good. So, actually, class, we are talking about the union and the intersection of sets, which is our next topic today. So, our topic for today is all about union and intersection. So, I have here my handouts to please please get one and pass, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. As your guide for our discussion. And our objective in today's lesson, class, is define union and intersection of sets. And another one is to show the importance of union and intersection of set in solving simple arithmetic problem. So you have there in your handouts, class, and when we say union, union is a set of A and B denoted by yung parang U, this one, or yung parang U is symbolize or denotes our union. Union A and B is the set that contains those elements X belongs to the union of sets A and B. If and only if X belongs to A and B. So, in other words, what are the things that can be found both A and B, or both A and B, and of elements that are in A and that cannot be found in our set B, and the elements in set B that cannot be found in our set A are what we call the union of our set A and B. Do you understand, class? Okay, so to better understand, so we have here an example, class. Given that our universal set, you know that already, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10, and set of X which is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 7, and set of Y is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. And find what is the union of X and Y, and draw a Venn diagram to illustrate a union of X and Y. So, we all know that union is the set of the things that can be found both in set A and set X and set Y, and also the elements that can be found in our X that cannot be found in our Y, and also the elements that cannot be found that found in our set Y but cannot be found in our set X. So those are the unions. So we know that union of X here, I already wrote it here, is equal to 1. So 1 can be found in both X and Y. So it's considered that 1 is an element, or is an element of union of X and Y. And of course we have 3. 3 can be also found in our set X and Y. So 3. Okay, we have here. And what are the things that can what are the elements of X that cannot be found in our Y? Yes, we have 2, 2, and 7. Very good. And what are the things that can be found in our Y but cannot be found in our X? Yes, that is 4, 5, and 8. So this is the list or the sets of our union of X and Y. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. So let's illustrate it with a Venn diagram. So we have, let us say this is a Venn diagram. So union or all the elements in X and Y. So we know that one, let's say here is, this circle is our X and this circle is our Y. So the thing here in between of X and Y are the numbers that can be found, talks about the numbers that can be found in our X and can be found in our Y, or the elements, okay? So we know that 1 and 3 are the elements of X, are the elements that can be found in our X and can be found in our Y, okay? So those are the things that we should root it here. And this part here are the things, talks about the things that cannot be found in our the set elements of x that cannot be found in our y. So that is, we have 2 and 7. And this, of course, is talks about the elements of y that cannot be found in our x. So those are 4, 5, and 8. Okay, look at this class in our set of x and y, and the given universal set, our universal set, we have 10 here that does not belong to our set x and y. So that is this 10 is out from this 2 circle. Okay, because it cannot be found in x and it cannot be found in our y. So you will stay it here outside the 2 circle. Okay, or you will put or wrote it in the 2 outside of 2 circle. So that's it, class. Now, so look at your handouts. Now let's proceed to the next is intersection of sets. What we call intersection of sets. So intersection of sets of A and B denoted by, kung ang union is yung U, parang U na ganun pa upward, ang intersection naman is U na pa down. Yan, yung parang U, ganun. So, this denotes our intersection. Intersection of A and B is the set of element that is the set that contains those elements in both A and B. If in our union of sets, if our union of sets are the things that can be found in set A and B, and also the things that can be found that can be found in our set A and cannot be found in our set B, and also the things that can be found in our set B that cannot be found in our set A, when it comes to intersection, talks about the only elements that can be found in our set A and set B. Do you understand, class? Okay. So to better understand, let's have this example. Given of set X that 1, 6, and 9. And set Y, we have 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9. So find intersection of our set X and Y. Very simple, class. It just so X, a set of intersection of set X and Y is equal to, now what are the numbers that you can find in our X and in our Y? Yes, 1. We have 1. 1 is here in X and also here in Y. What else, class? Yes, 6. 6 is on our X and 6 in our Y. Another? Yes, 9. So, we know that the intersection of X and Y is, from our given element sets are 1, 6, and 9. Very simple, class. Okay? And let's illustrate it in a Venn diagram. We have here the universal set. Let's say this is our X. So this is our X and outside, and Y. I mean this is our Y, and this is our X inside the circle inside. So why I use this, you will understand that, class. So we know why I used to put the circle of X, set of X inside the Y, because we know that all elements of X can be found is an intersection in our y. That can be found in our y. So we have 1, 6, and 9. And what are the this outside of our x, or but inside in our y is are the things or elements that cannot be found in our x but found in our y. So we have 3, 5, and 8. So this indicates of the intersection of our x and y. So in this case, class, our intersection of set x and set y is equal to the element of our x, because all the elements of our x can be found in our set y. Okay? What you need to remember, class, that when we say union, these are the things that can be found in our elements that can be found in our x and y, and the things that can be found in our x but cannot be found in our y, and also the things that can be found in our y that cannot be found in our x. When it comes to when we say intersection, it talks about the only things that can be found in our x and also in our y, both of our sets. So very simple. Okay, now let's proceed, class. Look at your handouts, class. From the given activity 1.a, 1a, from the given Venn diagram, find union of RP and intersection of RP, and explain your answer. Okay, anyone from the class? So we have given that this Venn diagram, universal sets of set R and P, which the element of R is 2, 15. We have 2, 13, 1, 6, 5, 3, 9, 4, 10, and 7. And the elements of our T is 10, 7, and 11. So anyone from the class, can you please tell me what is the union of our set A, R, and P? Please. Okay. Yes, very good. Correct. Because why you please explain your answer? Yes, very good. So thank you. How about the intersection of R and P from our given Venn diagram? Okay. Yes, please. Yes, because why did you say that? Okay. Very good. Another example, another activity, class, please. In activity 1.1b, look at there. Please read. Please read, class. Okay, read, please. Miss Lopez, please read. Okay. So now, what is the union of QO? Yes, please. Yes. Anyways, can you please give first the elements of Q and the elements of our O? Please. Yes, very good. Okay. And can you please, what is the union of Q and our O? Okay, very good. So thank you. That's very good. So you have already know our topic today. Okay. At the back of your handouts, next page, no, you have an activity 1.c. I will give you at least 10 minutes, no, to answer this activity 1.c. Let h is equal to 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 2 until 18, 19, 20 be a universal set, and let set J and K be a subsets of S, where set K is set J, I mean, is 5, 7, 11, 13, 14, 15, and 19, and set K is 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 14, 16, and 17. List the elements in set J and K, and list the elements of in set J or set K. Anyways, class, uh, the union and intersection sometimes denotes by or and and. When we saw or there in the problem, that denotes our union, or so, and there is denotes our intersection. So the things that can be found in G and K. So and, okay. So can you please give me the elements in set J and set K? Anyone, please? Yes? Okay. Very good. Now, how about the elements of our set J and or I mean or K? Set K. Okay, very good. You have already mastered our topic, class. Okay. So, next, activity 2. Please look at activity 2. Answer the following problems there. Suppose M is an element of is a set of cat, dog, rabbit, mouse, and N is equal to the set of dog, cow, duck, and pig, rabbit, and W is element of duck, rabbit, and deer, frog, mouse. So find number 1. You have to find the intersection of M and N. I mean, you have to find the union in the intersection of M and N and W, and find the intersection in the union of F and W to M, and the intersection in the intersection of M and N and W, and you have to find the union of M and N and the union of W, the union of 3. Write your answer on a piece of paper. I will be giving you at least 15 minutes, class, to do the activity. Okay? Okay. Are you finished, class? Okay. Please give me. Yes, mister? Can you please give me the answer for number 1? Okay. Yes, very good. Let's clap our hands for him. Yes. Okay. And yes, miss, at the back, can you please tell me what is the answer for number 2? Yes, very good. Wow. And please, yes, mister, at the back also. Okay. Can you please tell me the answer for number 3? Okay, stand up please. Okay, can you please speak louder please? Loud. For us to understand you, to hear you. Okay. Okay, thank you. Very good. Now, last number please, you. Tell me please. What is the answer? Yes. Jabal down glass. You know it, you know it. So, you have already know now what our topic is all about. What is union and intersection. So now, what I will ask you, what is the easy way in solving problems about union and intersection of set? What is the easy way that you are going to use in order for you to easily know what is the union and the intersection of our sets? Yes, please. Okay, very good, very good. Let's clap our hands for him. Yes, good. Now, in real life situation, side situation that there is union and intersection of sets. Anyone please? Yes. Okay, correct. Okay. Now class, get here. Okay, you have to, if you have already if you truly understand our lesson, we are going to have our at least 5 item test or quiz. Okay, please get 1/4, and it's just a multiple choice test. Please get 1/4 and get one and pass the test paper. Okay, thank you. So please answer it within at least 10 minutes. That's very easy, class. Okay. Answer that, class. Okay, time's up, class. Please pass your paper forward. I will be the one to check it. Let me check it, class. Okay. So tomorrow, this ends our discussion, class, and thank you for listening, and see you tomorrow again. Goodbye, class.